The tamarind has a completely unique flavor and besides being delicious and additionally gives several fitness benefits. The fruit has effective anti-inflammatory properties that could lessen the ache and defend the connective tissues as well as antibacterial properties which can defend your frame from infections. The fruit has a wealthy dietary profile and carries compounds which can improve your immune machine, detoxify your body and save you various illness. This food is an excellent source of vitamin B, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, iron, thiamine, phosphorus, riboflavin and fiber. Treats diabetes. Tamarind can alter your blood sugar stages and treat diabetes. Purchase a few tamarind paste at your nearby health keep and blend it with some herbs and jamun. Devour the aggregate often to manipulate your blood sugar tiers and prevent diabetes. Treats hair loss. Tamarind is one of the exceptional natural treatments towards hair loss. Just boil it in a few water until it softens, then squeeze the fruit to gain liquid. Practice it at the scalp and rub it in lightly, then leave the liquid to work for 60 minutes before rinsing your hair with heat water. The tamarind fruit consists of essential vitamins and minerals together with potassium, which is important for the health of your cardiovascular system. The fiber content of the fruit can manipulate your cholesterol levels and fight unfastened radicals in the frame. That is why it's been used as a natural treatment in opposition to coronary heart problems in Ayurveda medicine for hundreds of years. Use herbal treatments such as the tamarind fruit to deal with the disease clearly and stay healthy. Improves your eyesight. Tamarind contains a lot of nutrition that may improve your eyesight and reduce the danger of age-related macular degeneration and other eye troubles.